A storm is brewing in the world of global finance. The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, are making bold moves that could challenge the global dominance of the US dollar. Is the greenback losing its grip? Let's dive into what's really happening. Since the end of World War II, the US dollar has reigned supreme. Over 80% of global trade is conducted in dollars. Countries hold reserves in dollars, while traded in dollars. In short, the world needs the dollar to function. Enter Brics as a coalition of 5 major emerging economies, now joined by new members like Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the UAE in 2024. Together, they represent over 40% of the global population and nearly 30% of global GDP. Here's where it gets interesting. BRICS countries are tired of the dollar's dominance, especially Russia and China. In 2023, they announced plans to develop a new global currency backed by gold or commodities. The goal, to trade among themselves without relying on the dollar. Key facts. In 2023, China and Brazil began settling trades in yuan. Russia and China conduct over 70% of their trade in their local currencies. India has paid for Russian oil using rupees and UAE dirhams. And it's not just BRICS. In 2024, Saudi Arabia, the world's largest oil exporter, started accepting Chinese yuan for oil. This could be the beginning of the end for the petrodollar era. Term highlight, de-dollarization, the global move by countries to reduce dependence on the US dollar. Stat, dollar's share of global reserves fell from 71% in 1999 to around 58% in 2023 IMF data. But how do you trade without SWIFT, the global dollar-based payment system? BRICS is developing its own alternative, possibly integrating blockchain or digital currencies. Russia's MIR, China's CIPS, and India's UPI are all stepping stones toward a new global payment framework. Let's be real, the US dollar isn't going away overnight. It's still seen as a safe haven, especially during global crises. It's backed by the world's largest economy and deepest financial markets. But US debt is at historic highs, over $34 trillion. Trust in US monetary policy is declining among some nations. Sanctions weaponize the dollar, pushing countries to seek alternatives. If BRICS succeeds, the world could slowly shift from a dollar-centric system to a multi-currency world. That means global trade becomes more regional. US borrowing becomes more expensive. Currency diversification becomes essential for investors. Developing countries gain more power in global decisions. The BRICS power shift isn't just an economic story, it's geopolitical. It's East versus West, it's old power versus new ambition. Whether the dollar falls or adapts, one thing's clear, we're witnessing a major shift in global economics. Like, share, and comment below. Do you think BRICS can dethrone the dollar? And don't forget to subscribe for more global finance breakdowns.